Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to share with you a simple and effective lip care routine for soft and healthy lips. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications for support and more content. Especially in cold weather, our lips can become dry and chapped. So, by moisturizing and taking care of your lips, you can keep them soft and supple. Step 1. Lip scrub. Our first step is to exfoliate the lips. Lip scrub helps to remove dead skin and dryness, creating a smooth base. Gently massage your lips with a soft toothbrush or a lip scrub product. Step 2. Moisturizing application. Next, apply a moisturizing balm or oil to your lips. You can use a natural lip balm or natural oils like coconut oil. This will help to moisturize and soften your lips. Step 3. Sun protection. The harmful UV rays of the sun can also damage your lips. So, it's important to apply a lip balm with sun protection. Especially if you're going to spend a long time outdoors, don't forget to use a product with sun protection. Step 4. Nutrition and hydration. Healthy and balanced nutrition also affects the health of your lips. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet will keep your lips moist and healthy. Step 5. Night care. Night care is also important for keeping your lips soft. Before going to bed, apply an extra moisturizing balm or oil to your lips to nourish them overnight. With a simple and effective lip care routine, you can keep your lips soft and supple. Remember, regular care and the right products will keep your lips looking healthy and beautiful at all times. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to try my lip care routine for soft lips. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos.